Drashidale, brothers, sisters, yogi, yoginis. Today is the Tibetan calendar, June 4th. In Tibetan, we call the Chukur teaching. Chu means Dharma, Kur means whale of the Dharma, and the celebration day. It's the most auspicious day and the most important day in the Buddhist calendar. So, without the teaching of the Dharma, there's no nettle for the patient of the samsara. So the Dharma means the nettle, immortality nettle, and all the diluting mind nettle. So the drop, the listening for the teaching is very important and for the humanity. So memory this day and coming to this beautiful Swami Shivananda's spiritual park, and making me so much connecting with the Buddha. And imagine the time in the Varanasi, north of India, and a small place called Saranath. And Saranath, which is a beautiful park like this called the Deer Park. And the Buddha gave first and his discovered teaching to his first 5 disciples. So from that day, the Sangha was formed. Sangha, Buddha, Dharma, Sangha. Sangha is the 4 ordained and the people to come together. That's the energy equal to the one Sangha. Sangha means enlightened being, it's the realized being. So Buddha is the teacher, Dharma is the food, Sangha is the service for you to eat. So that's the start of the Buddha Dharma in this planet, this earth. So it's a very auspicious day to memorize ancient wisdom, Buddha and all other soul continents of enlightened beings walking and left so many beautiful teaching in this earth, especially in this pandemic time. It's very important in coming to remember, celebrate those auspicious knowledge and wisdom. Just simply breathe and just quiet and Mother Nature close. Here's one eye, here's one eye, here's one eye, here's one eye, here's one eye. Then 5 eye, look into the sky, look into the sun, and breathing together. Drashidale,